Hello, welcome to the Ango Tinker. My name is Eric, and today we're going to be taking a look at these Raycon wireless earbuds. Now, the problem with these things is they don't turn off when you put them in the case, like earbuds should. They sound great. I love these things. In fact, I have the newer version of them, and I'm going to use these to show you what I mean and what's going on. So, I have these ones connected to my phone right now. These ones that say Raycon Fitness Broken. That's these ones. Now, if I put these in the case, they don't light up, they don't do anything. Close the case, and they should disconnect. But instead, they're still connected for audio. Now, these ones right below, Raycon Fitness, take one of these out. I don't even take one out, they'll just connect. So connects. Raycon Fitness earbuds, connected. The broken ones, also still connected. I put these back in the case, I close the case. Fitness earbuds, disconnected. These ones, still connected. Now, take some magnets. Is it this way? Or this way? There we go. So now they're gone. They're disconnected. And they connect again. They'll connect again. Okay? So as far as I understand, in here there's some magnets that indicate to the case that it's closed and to charge and disconnect your earbuds. So I guess I'm going to take this apart and try to find those magnets and see what happens. Nothing sounds loose, but they're clearly not doing their job. Let's get in there and find out. Now, of course, there's no screws that get into this thing, so I brought a variety of tools, hoping that this combination of stuff I can figure it out. Okay. Okay, so there's I guess would that be like the inductor for charging the battery? Because this is has like wireless charging. So there's definitely some magnet action happening. Oh, okay. Oh, that's just a hinge. It's not broken. Feels like there's magnet at the back and the front. I guess let's take there's 3 screws holding the board in. Let's take that out. So I'm assuming these 2 rectangular magnets are just for holding in the earbuds themselves. There's no magnet at the back. Interesting. Unless the magnet is in the lid. Well, I guess. Is it maybe just the fact that the magnet's touching this inductor? It's causing it to feel like maybe that's what it is. White lights come on. If I do this, the red charging light's not coming on though. Oh, because the earbuds aren't in. It won't unless the earbuds are in. So these magnets. Oh god. These magnets. Do these tell it that it's closed? Let's see. Does the magnet here do anything? Interesting. Okay, so it's only disconnecting when I put a magnet to the inductor for the wireless charging. As soon as that goes away, so it's like it's, but it only does that if the earbuds are in. So it knows the earbuds are in the case. Because if I take these out and I do this, the lights won't come on and it won't disconnect them. There, it went white when I took that off, but then if I put these back in the case, they turn red for a second. They don't disconnect though. Put this under the inductor. The red light is on, I don't know if you can tell, and they disconnect. So that means something. What does that mean? Aha. Okay. So if I have these in the case, right? If not just at the inductor at the bottom, but so this bottom piece where the inductor is, it attaches via these little, I'm assuming these are enameled wires, and they connect here on the board. So if I put these in the case, that way they're making contact with their little charging points. It should stay connected. Yeah. If I touch the magnets just on the other side of the plastic, but just on the other side of where those connections are. Other way maybe? There it goes. Disconnects. And the red light's on, so it's charging. So what that tells me is that in this lid, there should be a magnet here. And there is. But is it like moved and it's like not in the right place or something? You can tell there's a magnet in there. Let's see if we can check it out. There's a magnet in there. Looks like the super glue, or the glue, I guess, that's used on these is like super clean. This looks, and there's like fingerprints, like somebody did this. Is this maybe not in the right way? Somebody try to fix this? I bought these used, by the way. Let's see, if I just touch the magnet here, what happens? Oh. What the heck? Oh. Yeah, the magnet's in upside down. Because if I close the lid, it's going to close this way. So the magnet will go this way. But if I turn it the other way, I bet what happened was whoever had these last, the magnet maybe came loose, so they took it apart to fix it, and they put the magnet in the wrong way. Silly gooses. They super glued it in. How am I going to get it out? Will IPA do anything? This is isopropyl alcohol, by the way. All right, it was this way down before, which means this side. So I should be flipping it over to go this way down now. But let's just confirm. Disconnected. Sweet. Let me grab super glue. probably too much. I tried to pick these up with metal tweezers. I accidentally flipped them around, so I need to double check. All right, I think we're ready to try to put this back together. It's like, there we go. There's little like notches between this little, the shiny, I don't know, ring piece and the actual bottom. There's little notches for the hinge part to sit in, the actual bar that's the hinge. I think you just need to snap. There it goes. There we go. Okay. All right. Now, the moment of truth, I hope. Ha! Freaking awesome. Well, there we go. That ended up being a pretty simple fix, actually. The hardest part was just figuring out how to take it apart. I do mostly use these newer ones, but I'm always happy to have a backup because I really like these, and I mean, they sound great, they're comfortable. Anyways, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do all the YouTube stuff, you know, the comments and likes and all that stuff. It really helps, and I do appreciate any and all feedback. Thanks. Have a nice day.